Alright.
Yeah, a little bit longer shoot would be money. Or something to put underneath this.
Well, I noticed too that there's like static will make it stick to that metal piece too. You'll see when it comes out. But alright. So close up the doors.
So I have to Scotsman's it and turn it on first?
Yeah, turn it on first and then just dump it in. I only got the hopper like half full at a time, but you know. Stop being gay with magnets, will you?
Yeah, so this is just under 12 pounds. Matter solder and some crystal. Can't wait to see these Christmas lights. That is so quiet, my goodness.
It's even quiet when it mills too.
It's almost like it's not on.
Oh, it is. Doesn't mill as fast as I thought it would, but whatever. It's a lot faster than going by hand. I just can't believe I got everything properly lined up between the motor and the thing, and like it wobbles just a little, but whatever. I don't think that's a bad thing.
Is that an automotive belt or is that a special belt for that wheel?
I think it's special for that wheel. It's like a 3L V-belt or something, 44-inch, blah, blah, blah. Somebody posted it on the brew board, so I pretty much copied exactly what they did, and it worked out for me.
I wonder if you could find something at the auto parts store to replace it if needed.
I got a Granger, which is over by where you work anyway, so.
Rocking just a tiny little bit. Don't see any dust coming out the door.
Got safety lights on so nobody's gonna stick their hands in there.
I'm telling you, some pink paint would do wonders on this thing.
Ooh. Whoa. Yellow tape kept me away. Pull it down here too. It's like super quiet coming out of here too. See how it's collecting on there?
Yeah.
It's almost like a static.
Yep.
With the dust there. You know? That's what I'm hoping. I don't get stuck, but whatever. I'm hoping that it ups, that my crush is a little better. You know, a little flour never killed anybody except if it sticks your sparge, but you know, flour is like getting the straight ass good stuff going. So I guess, I don't know. I'm talking out my ass here. I just love seeing the mill in motion. And I love not cranking it by hand. First time I ever said that.
Watch out, you're real close to my flame monitor.
Yeah. If there were yellow safety tape on it, I wouldn't kick it over. Go ahead. I just dump the rest at this point. Somebody beat the...
Beautiful. Lights off.
Pull out the old bucket there. See what we got?
Not even warm. Nice crush.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
See, it does seem a little powdery.
It does a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, maybe I want to stick rice hulls in. I don't know.
It looks a
Got
little.
some.
That's brought some too. Looks a little finer than what I remembered, but.
But I think we'll get a little better efficiency, hopefully, if it's really,
nice.
if it really is finer. So.
Mill beast. Awesome.
Thumbs up from